vegetables. Spinach. These are spinach leaves. Coriander. These are coriander leaves. Mint. These are mint leaves. Cabbage. This is cabbage. Lettuce. This is lettuce. Amaranth. These are amaranth leaves. Rusel. These are rusel leaves. Spring onion. These are spring onion. Curry leaves. These are curry leaves. Kale. This is kale. Mustard greens. These are mustard greens. Arugula. These are arugula leaves. Fenugreek. These are fenugreek leaves. Celery. This is celery. Sorrel. These are sorrel leaves. Broccoli. This is broccoli. Chives. These are chives. Bok choy. This is bok choy. Artichoke. This is artichoke. Water spinach. These are water spinach leaves. Lesson review. Spinach, coriander, mint, cabbage, lettuce. Amaranth, roselle, spring onion, curry leaves, kale. Mustard greens, arugula, fenugreek, celery, sorrel. Broccoli, chives, bok choy, artichoke, water spinach.